Hey everyone! Welcome to the PDNob channel. Have you ever received a certificate and needed to quickly change a name or update the date before sharing it? Today I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it, including one that lets you edit your certificate almost like a Word document. Let's start with the simple option Canva. First, drag your certificate PDF into Canva. Then go to Elements, choose Shapes, and select a rectangle. Now adjust the rectangle color to match the background. At the top toolbar, click the color option, choose Add New Color, then use the Color Picker tool to sample the background color directly from your certificate. This helps keep the color consistent. Next, resize the rectangle and place it over the text you want to change. After that, click Text, type the correct information and position it properly. Finally, download it, and that's it. But if you look closely, you may notice the edges don't blend perfectly with the original background. Sometimes the edited area can look slightly unnatural. So if you want a cleaner and more flexible solution, PDNob PDF Editor is the better choice. The free download link is in the description below. Let me show you how it works. Open your certificate in PDNob. At the top, you'll see an option called Perform OCR. OCR is a powerful feature that scans the text inside your PDF and converts it into editable text. Click Perform OCR, confirm the document language, then click Perform OCR again to start the conversion. After the process is finished, your certificate becomes editable. Now you can simply click the text you want to modify and type in the correct content directly. You can even change the font to better match the original certificate style. It's much faster, cleaner, and more natural looking compared to covering text manually. Finally, go to File, click Export, and select PDF to download it. So if your certificate has a simple solid color background, Canva works well for quick edits. But if you want a more versatile and professional editing experience, PDNob makes the process much easier. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.